Sure to Cook. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making an onion blossom my way. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, we're going to start off with our wet ingredients. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to use 2 eggs. 1 egg in there, and then here's the second egg because we need 2 eggs for this mixture. Calls for a whole cup of milk, but I am going to use 1/2 cup of regular milk. This is a 2% milk. You can use whole if you want, and then my other half is going to be heavy whipping cream because I really want this to stick. A little bit of paprika, just a little bit, and I'm just going to mix this up until everything is incorporated into my mix. Cup of all-purpose flour, spoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of Mrs. Dash blend, cracked black pepper. If you can, give it about a 1/2 teaspoon, a spoon of salt. This time, this requires salt, guys. 1/8 teaspoon of thyme. Thyme brings everything out, makes it so good. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Want to take our mixer here. Well, you can do it by hand or spoon, or if you have a whisk, you can just go ahead and whisk it up. Peeled one, and I'm leaving that core on the end because when I'm cutting it, I'm going to cut it about right here, and I'm going to stop. So this is the core, and this is the other half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sharp knife, and I'm just going to cut half of that off, and then I'm just going to peel this. I've got my little cutting. Let me move these because I don't want to cut my hand. I've got my little onion cutter. It's really sharp blades. I've got my onion. I'm going to put that in the middle, and I'm just going to press down on this. This is my flour mix. I'm just going to put it in here. And I'm just going to shake it around and make sure it gets in here. And that, I'm going to try to shake out some of this flour mix. So make sure you get your hands and everything in here, and make sure you're going to do this is the mess here. Sometimes you get it at different restaurants, and I tell you, you'll be like, hey, why is this so gooey inside? So you make sure you want to open up all your little petals here. You want to drain it. Okay, back into the dryness. We're going to do it like this. We're going to finish the rest of the 2. We're going to get them on a plate. You get to see them when I drop them into this hot grease. Like this on the outside, and I want it to fan out. Look at it. It's already trying to cook at 350. Drop it. There we go, guys. All right. And I'm going to let it drain. And here it is, guys, 3 blossoms. You can get any type of sauce you want. That's like a blossom sauce that you like, but you can get it any way you want it, or you can make your own sauce. So you can just eat them just like this. I'm pulling off one that I want to taste. Oh, that looks so good. Let's try this. Oh my God. And guess what? The onion comes sweet. It's like a sweet taste when you eat it. It is so good. So guess what? I hope you enjoyed this show. I hope you come back for many shows, because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we made these blossoms together. And we can make plenty more. When you come back, we can make all kind of stuff. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.